about the halacha of mavir, of turning on a fire on Shabbat, and included also in this halacha will be electricity as well, even though it's midirabanan, but it will be as well. That's what we said. We spoke about opening the door, right? If you have a candle that is burning, you have to open the door slowly, unless you know that there is enough distance. But I want to talk about something a little bit more, something practical that we have today. A lot of times, so we said that electricity is also turning on. You turn on a light, right? What would be the halacha? This happens very often. Shachechu b'mekarer, right? In the fridge, you have the door that opens and the light turns on. The light turns on. So it's psik reshe. It's an obvious outcome, right? It's an obvious outcome. That's called psik reshe. If something for sure is going to come, it's going to happen. Even though you mean to open the door, but you know the light is going to turn on. It's asur. So what happened is like that. So, מקרר שיש בו מנורה נדלקת עם פתיחתו, ושכחו להסיר את המנורה, they forgot to take off the light, or to take it off, אסור לפתוח את המקרר, you cannot open the fridge in order to take out the food. Even though that your kavanah is not to light the menorah, it's to open the fridge. בכל מקום, פסיק רשת במלאכת הבהרה, this is an obvious outcome, ואסור לומר לקטן לפתוח את דלת המקרר. So some people say, okay, it's תתר לקטן, we'll go open up the fridge for us, right? למה?